Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking to transform your space with vibrant, customizable lighting, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best smart light strips with remotes, chosen for their features, ease of use, light quality, and overall value. We're breaking down what makes each strip stand out, who it's for, and if it's really worth your money. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. First up, we've got the DAYBETTER 200-foot LED strip lights. These come in two 100-foot rolls, giving you plenty of length to cover larger rooms or multiple areas. You're getting both Smart App and an IR remote control, so you've got options for changing between 16 million colors and various dynamic modes, like flashing or fading. It's also got a music sync feature that works through the app, letting your lights dance to the beat. Plus, we like the smart timing settings and color memory, so your lights turn on and off just how you like them. Installation is usually straightforward with the strong adhesive backing. Users say these lights are bright and you can dim them easily. They're great for indoor spaces like bedrooms, kitchens, or even for setting a party vibe. However, some customers have reported mixed experiences with reliability, noting that sometimes only half of the lights work or that certain colors like green and red are inconsistent. Also, the adhesive might need some extra reinforcement on textured walls. Just remember, you can connect these in parallel but not in series to avoid issues.
Next, we're looking at the PAUTIX RGB Smart IC Cob LED strip lights. This 32.8-foot strip is a step up, packing built-in IC chips that let it display multiple colors at once, creating cool rainbow and chasing effects. Since it's a COB, chip-on-board design, you're getting incredibly uniform and bright light with almost no dark spots, which is a significant visual upgrade from traditional LED strips. It runs on 24 volts, so you get less voltage drop and more consistent brightness across the whole length. This PAUTIX strip is super flexible, and you can cut it every 10 centimeters if you need a custom fit. We love the extensive control options, including a smartphone app with Bluetooth and a high-sensitivity microphone for music rhythm synchronization with 18 different effects. There are 142 dynamic effects and tons of static colors to play with, plus a timer function. It's also UL listed for safety. Users are impressed with the design, brightness, and customizability, calling the light smooth and continuous. While some initial reliability issues have been noted, customer service seems to be excellent at resolving them. Keep in mind, the included power supply is just for the kit, so if you extend it, you'll need a higher wattage 24-volt power supply.
Moving on, we've got the DAYBETTER 32.8-foot flexible LED strip lights. This is a more budget-friendly option if you don't need extensive length or smart app control. It's a 32.8-foot strip with 300 LEDs, offering a wide range of RGB and white colors, along with brightness adjustments. You're controlling it with a simple IR remote that gives you 6 dynamic modes and 2 speed settings to play with. The strip is cuttable every 3 LEDs along designated marks, so you can customize its length to fit your space. It uses a strong self-adhesive for easy installation, perfect for adding ambiance to bedrooms, desks, or entertainment setups. Just remember to clean the surface thoroughly before sticking it on, and try to get it right the first time to maintain adhesion. Customer feedback highlights the bright and vivid colors and easy installation. Similar to its longer sibling, some users have reported mixed experiences with color functionality and adhesive strength over time.
Next up is the Lepro MagicColor 50-foot strip lights. This strip is all about dynamic, multicolor effects thanks to its integrated IC chips. Unlike standard RGB, the MagicColor feature lets it display multiple colors on one strip at the same time, giving you those cool rainbow and chasing light patterns. It also has a built-in sensitive microphone for music sync, so the lights can change with your beats. You're getting a generous 50 feet of lighting, which actually comes as two 25-foot strips. This is great for covering more ground, but just be aware that your light motion might start from different points if you're trying to cover a continuous long wall. It comes with genuine 3M adhesive for easy installation, plus extra mounting brackets and screws for a more secure hold, which we appreciate. This strip is also rated for both indoor and outdoor use. Users love the super fun and bright effects, especially the intense blue. However, some note that the 3-pin connectors can be delicate, and the remote requires direct line of sight. We recommend using the included clips for long-term adhesion, as the tape can wear out.
Finally, we have the DAYBETTER 110-foot LED strip lights.
This is another solid option for covering large areas, coming in one continuous 110-foot roll. You get both smart app control and a 44-key IR remote, offering flexibility in how you manage your lighting. It features adjustable, color-changing lights with music sync capability that uses your phone's microphone to react to ambient sounds. The 110-foot length is more than enough for wrapping around a bedroom, ceiling, or even decorating for a party. It's got color memory and a timing function for automated on-off schedules. Installation is simple with strong adhesive, but it's critical to fully unfold the strip before powering it on to prevent heat buildup and potential damage. Customer reviews highlight its affordability, durability, and vibrant colors. Many users find it easy to install and appreciate how well it sticks to walls, though some have noted the adhesive can fail after a few days. A key warning: be careful during installation, as ripping the strip can cause the rest of the lights to stop working. And that wraps up the top 5 best smart light strips with remotes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.